Good evening. I'm Dr. S.P. Tiwari, medical specialist. Today, I would like to discuss something about the very interesting topic headache. Headache may be mild, simple headache, say of viral fever, simple cold, flu, etc. And it may be a very severe type, as it may be in brain tumors, etc. So, in this discussion, we will discuss various types of headache, causes of headache, investigations required, then a little bit about treatment and neurosurgical aspect of the headache. Coming on to types of headache, it may be primary or secondary. Primary type may be migraine, cluster headache, tension type of headache. Then in secondary causes, it may be vascular due to stroke, temporal arteritis, venous thrombosis, may be due to infection like meningitis, encephalitis, sinusitis, may be due to intracranial pathology like aneurysm, CSF leak, tumor, etc. It may be due to psychiatric causes also, depression, anxiety, neurosis, and other causes may be drug-induced, metabolic, trigeminal neuralgia, trauma, withdrawal symptoms, like that. Now various types of headache, in which number one is tension headache. How it feels like a persistent aching pain that wraps around the head, typically tightens in the temples and forehead. Some people also experience neck and shoulder stiffness. Causes of this type of headache may be anxiety and stress, poor posture, computer eye strain, and sleep deprivation. For treatment of tension headache, apply warm washcloth to your shoulders and neck. Some OTC medications such as paracetamol, ibuprofen, they can alleviate minor attacks. For long-term management, we have to go for stress management, exercises, posture strengthening, and some relaxation technique जैसे yoga, deep breathing, etc. Okay. Next is migraine headache. How it feels? A severe throbbing headache, usually on one side of the head. Migraines are often accompanied by nausea, vomiting, photosensitivity, noise, tearing from eyes, etc. Causes may be hormonal imbalance. Some foods such as caffeine, alcohol, chocolate, they can act as triggering factor. Bright light, pungent odors, and loud sounds, stress, disturbed sleep, it can precipitate migraine. Then regarding treatment, cold pack, resting in a dark room, and drinking fluids may be helpful. Triptans can be given for extremely severe headache. Magnesium supplement, staying away from triggers can be ineffective for one-sided headache treatment for migraine. Okay. Now third is cluster headache. What it feels like, a painful stabbing pain around one eye that occurs in clusters or attacks. Headache is usually accompanied by tearing, watering of the eye, and nasal congestion. Causes may be irregular sleep pattern, smoking, alcohol, and high altitude. Treatment: cluster headache should be treated medically. Optimal treatment is oxygen therapy, triptan injection, and regular sleep pattern. Absence of alcohol can halt attack. Coming out to fourth variety, ice-pick headache. Sudden stabbing pains that appear at random and only for a few seconds. They can occur randomly on different parts of the head. Causes may be irritation of nerves and other headache disorders like migraine. These headaches are not usually serious, but if they occur regularly, doctor can prescribe indomethacin and anti-inflammatory drug that stops them. Next is thunderclap headache. What it feels like, it is sudden severe headache that reaches maximum intensity in seconds. Frequently it is described as the worst headache of my life. Most serious headache this type is. So causes are rupture of brain aneurysm, Berry's aneurysm, strokes, and a hypertensive crisis, extremely high blood pressure. Treatment, it's an emergency. If anybody is having thunderclap headache, he must go to the hospital urgently. Don't try to treat at home for this type of headache. Next is hormone related, that is menstrual headache. What it feels like a perimenstrual, a premenstrual or menstrual migraine. It is possibly accompanying nausea, photophobia and fatigue. Causes are due to birth control pills or drop in estrogen levels. Treatment is supportive, magnesium supplement, drinking lots of water and not taking caffeine. Next is allergic or sinus headache. Headache and pressure across the region of forehead, nose and cheeks. Hurts more when tilting forward. Main causes are seasonal allergies, sinus infection. Symptom can be managed by inhaling steam, using nasal saline spray, and taking antihistaminics. If there is an infection, antibiotics will be required. This is about sinus headache. Another is caffeine headache, which occurs due to uh, stoppage of caffeine or caffeine withdrawal. A throbbing low-grade headache that is experienced after missing the usual intake of caffeine. Treatment is cutting down on caffeine rather than abstaining from it altogether. It avoids withdrawal headache. Proper sleep and staying well hydrated also help to avoid them. Another is exertion headache, which occurs due to rigorous physical exercise like weightlifting, jogging. It's very painful headache and it is mainly due to heavy exercising and associated dehydration. Treatment is staying well hydrated and warming up before intense training programs. If they do occur, a doctor may prescribe NSAID like ibuprofen before a workout. This headache is due to severe hypertension. It is a type of throbbing headache occurring at the nape of the head that could be worse during the morning hours. Main cause is high blood pressure. Treatment is reducing blood pressure by medicine, diet, and exercise if needed. This headache must not be neglected. Hypertension can result in severe complications if left untreated. Another type of headache due to prolonged intake of analgesics. Ongoing throbbing headache which is caused due to excessive use of pain medication. It is known as rebound headache. Causes daily use of OTC medications. Only true solution is to stop the excessive use of pain medicine. A physician can recommend other therapies and assist in monitoring without symptoms. Another headache is which occurs after head injury, that is post-traumatic headache. It is a constant headache following a concussion or head injury. Causes are trauma to the brain. Treatment remains rest, pain medication, and sometimes physical therapy are necessary. If it gets worse, seek medical help. Lastly is spinal headache, which occurs due to leakage of spinal fluid after lumbar puncture or epidural anesthesia. Treatment is hydration, caffeine, lying flat on the bed. These all can be beneficial. In severe cases, a doctor may do a blood patch to close the leak. Now, these are all types of headache which we frequently come across. Now, when to seek medical care for headache? So, these are subarachnoid hemorrhage. Number 2, headache associated with head injury. Number 3, headache associated with brain fevers, scrub typhus, encephalitis, meningitis, and headache associated with intracranial space occupying lesion. These are the cases which may require neurosurgical intervention. Therefore, they must be hospitalized for treatment.